Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your media interface in your Mercedes-Benz. We'll cover essential steps to link your devices for audio streaming, hands-free calling, and navigation. This guide will help you maximize your vehicle's infotainment system, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. You'll learn to effortlessly integrate your smartphone and other media devices for a truly connected journey. Connecting your phone via Bluetooth is straightforward. First, ensure your mobile device's Bluetooth is turned on and visible. Then, on your Mercedes-Benz display, navigate to the Phone or Telephone Settings menu. Select Connect Device or Add Device and choose your phone from the list. A 6-digit passcode will appear on both screens. Confirm it to complete the pairing process. You can now enjoy hands-free calls and audio streaming. For a wired connection, your Mercedes-Benz offers USB ports, often found in the center console or under the armrest. Simply plug in your smartphone or a USB flash drive using a compatible cable. This allows for direct media playback and device charging. Some older models may also feature an auxiliary input for connecting various audio devices, providing even more flexibility for your listening pleasure. Many Mercedes-Benz models support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for enhanced smartphone integration. Connect your device using a USB cable to the port with the smartphone integration symbol. Once connected, follow the on-screen prompts to accept data protection disclaimers and complete the setup. This allows you to access your phone's navigation, music, and messaging apps directly on your vehicle's infotainment screen, making your drive safer and more connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.